How to fix WhatsApp web not working on laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So make sure you apply this solution on your laptop. I will only show you using the desktop mode in my phone. Search for WhatsApp and then tap on the three dot over here in your Chrome browser, and what you have to do is delete browsing data first. Sometimes it is the problem of the server itself, so in case of that, if that is the case, what you will have to find out is WhatsApp web server status. If the server status is down, you will have no option but to wait. But if not, you can simply close the WhatsApp tab and wait for some time, then restart your computer or your laptop and then open WhatsApp again, and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.